Hello and welcome. And as the title says, today we're going to discuss low probability trading. Today I'm going to show you the trades that you might be taking, which are low probability, but you consider them as a high probability trading conditions. So I'm going to talk about today's AM session that I was live trading as well, and I was talking this with my students. As you can see, we're on an NQ chart, right? Uh, we mitigated this 4-hour fair value gap, which yes failed to do so, and we have an SMT on the higher time frame, the bearish SMT, and we after that also we made a change in state of delivery, an order block here. What would be the highest probability trade? The highest probability trade from here would be to take an entry, take a short to this down to these lows. This is what our higher time frame tells us. If I go lower and go to the 15-minute time frame, as you can see, after touching that order block on an hourly, we have CSD on an hourly, break a block here, and an hourly fair value gap. This is a displacement from a 4-hour fair value gap, 1 hour displacement, which indicates the price is going to go lower down to that low. If I go on a 15-minute time frame from that hourly fair value gap, what happens? We have another displacement before equities open. And no, equities open displaces, makes a 15-minute fair value gap with a B balanced price range here, BPR here. And what would be a high probability trade? We have a higher time frame with us. We're bearish, and we have higher time frame bearish PDA raise getting respected. So would we be looking for longs down from here just because we took this sell side? And on an 1 minute time frame, we have a bullish 1 minute SMT here, or any bullish structure on a 1 minute time frame. If you are trading this if you're trading this price, I'm sorry, but you're a gambler. You're pretty much a gambler because this bullish price is not. We haven't taken the. Let me show you. So here, as you can see, we have not taken this low yet. Yes, they don't even take out this low. Yes, it's really far away from this low. So we don't have an SMT there. So if you are trading this price, this bullish price, just because we have a bullish structure on 1 minute time frame, just because we have a 1 minute SMT or 1 minute entry model like 2022 model or something that you usually take, if you are trading this price, you're pretty much a gambler. Why? Because you don't have a high time frame uh, on your side. You don't have a higher time frame on your side, which indicates a high probability trading. If you if you implement higher time frame trading in your higher time frame price in your trading, you're going to get a high probability trades. If you're trading only just looking at 1 minute time frame and taking trades off of this, you're not going to be profitable at all. Because if you take trades just because a 1 minute structure, that is complete pattern trading and not aligning with the bias, aligned with the high time frame narrative, and etc. Let's say we were bullish today. Do we have if I'm bullish, there's nothing wrong if you have a reason to go up. There's nothing wrong with that. But if you want to take an entry from a 1 minute time frame, you need at least to have a 15-minute time frame or even like higher time frame narrative. So we digged into this here, right? What PDA do I have to support my idea of us going up? We don't have any PDA rate to take a trade from here. Maybe here, maybe from this 15-minute fair value gap, which is I still consider as low probability because order flow is bearish. But before we make any 15-minute, 10-minute, like higher time frame than 1 minute PDA, I consider, and you should be considering that price action as low probability trading conditions, low probability setups. Even if price is moving, even if price has volatility, they that usually it means a high probability day. But if you high time frame, you're not aligned with the high time frame bias, that is a low probability trading, which some people from my Discord, some of them took this longs, right? Some got stopped on break even down here because we have no reason to come down over this lows to this low, accumulate and then expand higher, because this is pretty much an accumulation phase of price. We're taking this internals aside on 1 minute time frame. We have an SMT on 1 minute. That doesn't support my idea of us being bullish. That is not enough. That is pretty much not enough. I'm not saying to complicate your trading and have more confirmations. No, just have high time frame bias. That's it. Then the other 90% is high time frame bias. The other 10% is your entry model. How you're going to confirm that price. That's it. Just keep in mind, guys, that you need a high time frame PD array to trade this market, because market is too complex to trade mechanically. It is really too complex to trade mechanically. Moral of today is avoid low probability trading conditions, avoid low probability days, avoid low probability weeks, even avoid low probability months like December is, and trade high probability conditions. Or if you want to be profitable, have patience, guys. Like today, only trade you could have taken is this short, which is totally okay to lose this. Which it was totally okay to lose this. I didn't take this trade because I was patient with the market because I didn't like how price was moving. This is a displacement from 15-minute PD array. This is a shorts that I was looking for. I didn't take it because I was patient. I didn't like how price was moving, accumulating here, then displacing up and not moving downwards at all. I didn't like that because I was patient. If you guys won't be patient with trading, you're not gonna find success or find anything good in your trading. So keep this in mind, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. I'm sure you learned a lot of things today, at least to trade high probability conditions. And if you did learn something or you liked the video, like and subscribe because it helps me a lot. And as always, have a great trading. Goodbye.